Convolution is the mathematical equivalent of looking for your slippers. I have no idea where I put my slippers, so I have to search in every room. I know what they look like, so I'll recognise them when I see them. What happens if I find my wife's slippers first? Well, I know they're not mine because my wife's slippers are grey and mine are purple. Here are my slippers. I wonder how they got there. Applying this analogy to the world of signals, my slippers are like the sine wave that we're looking for within our signal. I'll know it when I find it, as I know what frequency I'm looking for, but I don't know where or rather when it occurs in the signal. In other words, I have no idea what its phase is. So just as I have to search every room in my house for my slippers, I have to search every phase in my signal for the sine wave that I'm looking for. To demonstrate how convolution works, let's look at a more visual example. By this point in the course, you probably know what I look like. Here I am. Now, imagine that I was in the middle of a crowd of people. How would you find me? Well, one way you could do it would be to compare each person in the crowd with the image of me that you have in your memory. Let's call this the test image. If we slide the test image over all the people in the crowd, the moment the test image and the real me converge, you'll know that you have found me.